Use IMO on Windows PC. If you are using Windows computer, you can easily use IMO on the larger screen of your Windows PC by downloading IMO for Windows PCs from IMO's official website. Just like WhatsApp web, IMO on PC works as an extension of your IMO account on your smartphone. Hence, you need to have an active IMO account set up and installed on your iPhone or Android phone. In case you haven't set up IMO yet on your smartphone, you can follow this guide to set up IMO on your smartphone. Once you have IMO set up on your smartphone, you can follow the steps as provided below to use IMO on Windows 10. Step 1. Download and install IMO on Windows PC. Follow this step below to download and install IMO on Windows PC. Open Chrome or any other browser on your computer and visit imo.im. On the IMO website, click the Download IMO for Windows Desktop button. See image on screen. Choose where you want to save the IMO setup file and click on the Save button. Now open the IMO setup file on your computer by clicking on it. Next, accept the terms and condition and then click on Install button. See image on screen. Wait for the installation of IMO to be fully completed. Once the installation is completed, click on the Finish button. See image on screen. Step 2. Set up IMO on Windows PC. Once IMO has been downloaded onto your Windows PC, you can go ahead and follow the step below to set up IMO on your Windows PC. Open IMO app on your Windows PC in case it is not already open. Next, click on the Yes button when you are asked whether or not you have IMO on your phone. Mentioned it earlier, IMO for PC app will not work if you do not have an IMO account on your smartphone. Next, choose your country and enter the same phone number that you had used for IMO on your smartphone and then click on the Continue button. On your smartphone, you will get a message from IMO contacting a verification code to use for IMO on your Windows PC. Note down the verification code and then type into enter your verification code screen on your website PC. See image on the screen. Once you have entered the verification code, press the enter key on your keyboard to complete setup of IMO on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon.